Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by getting permissions and the game ready. This prevents conflicts. Close any app using the camera, then open Windows settings and enable camera access for apps. Once done, sign into Roblox and launch the exact game where the camera is misbehaving. Next, open Roblox settings, ESC settings, and locate camera mode and camera sensitivity right away. You're acting now to isolate the problem. Permissions and the in-game camera options are the first controls you must check and set. Once the game settings are visible, change camera mode to classic or follow and test which behaves correctly. This often fixes control inversion. Make small adjustments to camera sensitivity and field of view to restore normal motion. Tiny steps avoid overshooting. Then test rotation. Toggle click to rotate and use keyboard keys, WASD or arrow keys, to see if the camera responds. If the camera moves but clips geometry, lower sensitivity and reposition the avatar to clear obstacles before moving. To finish, address system-level causes. Open Device Manager and update your webcam or GPU drivers, because outdated drivers often break camera input. Clear Roblox client cache or reinstall the client to remove corrupted files. You can delete temp Roblox folders under %local app data %, then reinstall. Restart your PC to finalize changes and relaunch Roblox. If issues persist, one key troubleshooting tip: create a new Roblox account or try another PC. That separates account settings from local machine problems and quickly narrows the cause.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.